In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table accessible with two languages in Microsoft Word. Creating a bilingual table in Microsoft Word is a great way to make your documents more versatile and user-friendly, especially when you're working with materials that need to be accessible in more than one language. This is particularly useful for educational content, resource guides, or any document that will be read by speakers of different languages. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up a clean, professional table that supports multiple languages with proper proofreading and editing support. To start, make sure your Word document is open and that you have a two-column table ready to work with. A simple two-column table works best for presenting text in two languages side by side, making it easy to compare content and keep everything organized. If your table isn't already created, you can quickly insert one by going to the Insert tab, clicking Table, and selecting a two-column layout. This will give you the structure you need to begin adding your text. Next, start by typing the text you want to translate into the first column. This could be anything from single words and phrases to full sentences, depending on the content you're working with. Once your list is complete, it's time to translate the text. Microsoft Word has a built-in Translate feature that makes this process straightforward. Highlight the text in the first column, then go to the Review tab and click Translate. From the drop-down menu, select Translate Selection. The translation will appear on the right side of your document. Simply copy the translated text and paste it into the corresponding cell in the second column. Repeat this process for all the entries in your table until every piece of text has been translated and inserted. After you've completed the translation, it's important to set the proofing language for the translated column. This ensures that Microsoft Word recognizes the language for spelling and grammar checks. Go to the Review tab, click Language, and select Set Proofing Language. A dialog box will appear with a list of available languages. Scroll through to find the correct language, select it, and click OK. This step is essential for maintaining accuracy and helping Word provide proper editing suggestions for the translated text. And that's it! Your bilingual table is now complete, with content displayed clearly in two languages and proofing enabled to ensure correctness. This approach not only makes your document accessible to a wider audience, but also keeps it professional and easy to read. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.